How to fix Venmo not letting you add money to balance. Now in this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Now just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, open the Venmo. So first unlock your phone and open the Venmo app, and you will see your balance and the recent transaction on the home screen. After that, check your bank account or card. So next, tap to the storylines icon, as you can see at the top of the or at the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now go to settings and then tap on payment method. Make sure your bank account or debit card is linked correctly. After that, check your bank account. If your payment method is already linked, make sure there is no issues with your bank account. Sometimes the bank can block Venmo payments for security reasons, and you may need to call your bank to check it. After that, check your Venmo account. So if everything is fine with your bank, check your Venmo account for any restrictions. Go to settings. After that, tap on account limits and see if there are any limits on your account. If your account is new, you might have a limit until you confirm your identity. After that, update the Venmo. So if everything is same, fine, but it still doesn't work, try updating the Venmo app to the latest version. Sometimes old versions can cause issues. Now go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for the updates. Now this is how to fix Venmo not loading and add money to balance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.